An automobile gets 27 miles per gallon on average. Which of the following best approximates how much gas would cost for this automobile to travel 2,727 average miles at a price of $4.04 per gallon? A. $444.40. B. $408.04. C. $109.08. Between 1 and 6, how many irrational numbers are there? A. 10. B. 4. C. 3. D. Infinitely many. The circumference of a circle is 16 pi feet. What is the circle's radius in feet? A. 8. B. 16. C. 4. D. 8. What do 42, 126, and 210 have in common most? A. 42. B. 14. C. 21. D. 6. A box's length in inches is 3 inches shorter than its width in inches. Which of the following calculations converts the box's width, W inches, into its length, L inches? A. L equals 2W, 3. B. L equals W 3. C. L equals 1/2 W plus 3. D. L equals W plus 3. Only the three secret substances A, B, and C, which are combined in the proportions of 2:3:5, are used to make industrial cleaners. In a 42-pound pail of this cleaner, how many pounds of secret ingredient B are there? A. 18. B. 4.2. C. 12.6. D. 14. What is the measurement in degrees of the sharp angle made by a 12-hour clock's hands when it reads precisely 1 o'clock? A. 30 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 45 degrees. D. 15 degrees. When 2x plus 3 equals 3x4, what is the value of x? A. -1. B. 1. C. 7. D. -7. The length and width of a rectangle with a perimeter of 30 centimeters are divisible by 2. What is the square centimeter equivalent of the rectangle's area? A. 25. B. 15. C. 50. D. 200. A DVD player with a $100 list price is discounted by 30%. What does John spend for the DVD player if he receives a 20% employee discount off the retail price? A. $50. B. $56. C. $77.60. D. $86. Which of the following is an equation for the circle whose center is at and which, in the conventional coordinate plane, passes through? A. X superscript 2 plus Y superscript 2 equals 25. B. xy equals 25. C, x superscript 2y equals 25. D, x superscript 2 plus y superscript 2 equals 5. What are the midpoint coordinates of a line segment whose endpoints are and in the conventional coordinate plane? A, B, C, D. Which of the following claims must be accurate whenever the positive numbers n, a, b, and c are such that n, c greater than a, and b greater than c? A, n plus b equals a plus c. B, b less than n. C, b, n greater than a, n. D, a less than n. What is the value of xy if xy equals 144, x plus y equals 30, and x greater than y? A, 24. B, 6. C, 22. D, 18. From Port Victoria, Texas, a boat heads out to an oil rig. The distance from the boat's departure location to the oil rig is 9 miles east and 12 miles north. How far away from the starting place is the oil rig? A, 225. B, 21. C, 15. How much does the value of 3 times 2 minus 2y surpass the value of 2 times 2 minus 3y when x equals 3 and y equals 5? A, 20. B, 16. C, 4. D, 14. A company's revenues increased by $3 million from the first to the second year, and they doubled from the third to the second year. What were sales in millions of dollars for the first year if sales for the third year were $38 million? A, 22. B, 20.5. C, 16. How often is it that a number drawn at random from the range 2, 3, 7, 12, 15, 22, 72, and 108 will be both divisible by 2 and by 3? A, 7, 8. B, 5, 8. C, 3, 5. D, 3, 8. Select the response that most effectively changes the sentence's underlined phrase. Select No change if the text in the emphasized area is accurate as written. Tony and Sarah weren't ready enough for the tennis match that afternoon. A, either. B, nor. C, no change. Choose the response that produces a statement that is precise, clear, and complies with the rules of standard written English to replace the emphasized piece. Children can learn responsibility and how to take care of a pet. A, caring for a pet, responsibility is learned by children. B, responsibility is something children can learn by caring for a pet. Which of the following utilizes a subordinating conjunction in the wrong place? A, they had to whisper because it was late. B, none of these sentences are correct. C, all of these sentences are correct. Select the solution that best completes the sentence's emphasized section. Select a no change if the underlined text is accurate exactly as it is written. Because it's a federal holiday, neither the post office or the bank will be accessible on Monday. A, nor. B, and not even. Dogs are known for being very friendly, and cats are thought to be more aloof. A, moreover. B, but. C, no change. Which of the following subordinating conjunctions, if used in place of the emphasized if in the statement below, will modify the meaning of the sentence the most? That bear won't attack us if we lay down and play dead. A, once. B, after. C, unless. Select the solution that best completes the sentence's highlighted section. Pick a no change if the emphasized text is accurate as written. We enjoyed going to Elizabeth art class, and the long drive over was starting to become a deterrent. A, but. B, therefore. C, also. Choose the response that produces a statement that is precise, clear, and complies with the rules of standard written English to replace the emphasized piece. Only the time that will work for everyone is in the evenings. A, only the time which will work. B, only the timing that will work. C, the only time that will work. Select the appropriate grammatical form of the following phrase: Laura and I attended a party to honor Allison's birthday. A, yesterday Laura and I went to a party and celebrated Allison's birthday. B, Laura and I went to a party and celebrated Allison's birthday. A clothes store gave all of its current stock a 15% discount in order to create room for new products. How much did the jacket go for that was normally $24? A, $22.50. B, $20.40. C, $9. D, $21.60. If c plus y equals 8 and 4zy equals 22, calculate the value of 2zy. A, 3. B, 6. C, 7. D, 15. Select the solution that best completes the sentence's emphasized section. Select a no change if the emphasized text is accurate exactly as it is written. Michaela said sleep when asked what her favorite pastime was. A, says sleeping. B, said sleeping. C, no change. Identify B's value if 5 is equal to 20. A, 7. B, 12. C, 1. D, 9. Make the term U the subject of the equation M equals M, U equals A, MMV. B, VMM. C, MVM. D, MM. A car costs $1.8 million when it is new, but it loses 12% of its worth in the first 6 months, bringing its value to 2s.f. A. $1.57 million. B. $1.6 million. C. $1.62 million. D. $1.5 million. Solve and simplify M65. A. 160. B. 65. C. 110. D. 1710. Select the phrase or word that best finishes the sentence. Of all the performances, he was the A. More funny. B. Funniest. C. Funnier. D. Funny. Divide 174 in half, with one half being 45% of the other. A. 174. B. 44 and 130. C. 80 and 94. D. 54 and 120. If 9x41 is equal to 2, then what is the value of x? A. 13. B. 11. C. 9. D. 7. I agree with my father that fishing is fun. A. Fishing is a fun thing to do. B. To fish is fun. C. Going fishing is a fun thing to do. D. No change. The sentence's emphasized word or phrase should be amended if necessary. When our dance instructor arrived and informed us that we would be learning a new hip-hop number that day. A. Arrived, and B. Arrive however. C. Arrived, next. Find the total number of persons in a Catholic church that has 175 members. Of those, 12% are regular attendees, with 56 of them attending twice per month. A. 56. B. 107. C. 98. D. 68. The standard form of 70,600 is A. 7.06104. B. 7.06105. C. 7.06102. D. 7.06106. The father and his boys present yesterday. A. Were. B. Are. C. One. D. Was. Either you or may with the kettle. A. Were. B. Is. C. Are. D. None of the above. What is a strategy for improving a voice as a writer? A. Try to imitate a writer you admire. B. Practice writing in various voices. C. Create a writing personality that is different from your regular personality. D. Focus on communicating strong feelings that you have. The following statement has a comparison error. Please indicate what kind it is. Mustache Dad is the best character in the Twilight series. A. This sentence does not have an error. B. Ambiguous comparison error. C. The comparison doesn't exist. D. Misused comparative or superlative form. Which of the following is not a component of good diction? A. Eliminate confusing words. B. Repeating yourself often to make a point. C. Using specific, descriptive words. D. Using interesting words. In an argumentative essay, facts and statistics are referred to as A. Reason. B. Position. C. Counter. D. Evidence.